Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Are you like me and are totally accident prone? And any kind of stemmed wine glass is definitely going to meet its demise by the end of the evening if you're around it. Well, if that's the case, then you need to check out these stainless steel hammer point wine goblets that I got from UNISWEET. Not only are they going to survive me gesturing and knocking them over, but they're so pretty. Even if I do drop them, they don't get dented or scuffed up. They just keep that beautiful shine. I got the rose gold color, and the hammer point on it makes for such a unique and pleasing aesthetic. These are not heavy, but they are heavy enough with a good enough base that they are sturdy. UNISWEET also has so many different colors of this exact goblet to choose from. So you don't have to limit yourself just to the rose gold color. You could get any number of colors, plus these would make a beautiful gift for someone. I think you're gonna love these as much as I have, and that's my point of view.